Hello everyone, welcome to Artzone. Let's make Dora the doll. I used a sketch pen for this drawing. You draw it with a pencil. Draw a small line. Add two curved lines on both the sides. Then connect these two ends with a big curve. Now draw two small lines at each side. Connect these two lines with a big curve for hair. Let's make a neckline. Draw two angled lines for dress and connect them. Draw a line in the center. Make two angled lines for legs. Let's add shoes. Add two curved lines and connect them. Here, make a small line. Let's add pouch. What is missing here? Yes, her hands. Let's draw them with curved lines. Let's draw eyes now. Draw two small lines. Draw a curved line, make a highlight and add pupils. Follow the instructions and draw mouth. Dora likes flowers, so let's draw it. Follow the lines shown in the video and make a flower. Wow, so cute! Dora is looking pretty. Add a simple line behind Dora. Then add a grass line. Draw few more simple flowers as shown here. Stems. Now add clouds. Add few pebbles and grass on ground. drawings, like, share and subscribe. Do the outline with a black sketch pen. Let's color the picture now. Add skin color for face, hands and legs. Take medium red color and color the mouth, flower and dress. Add orange for the center of the flower, pouch and shoes. Color the hair with dark brown. Add rose pink for small flowers. Add light green for grass, dark green for ground. Color the sky with light blue. Add yellow ochre for pebbles and light green for the grass. And here we complete the drawing. Thank you for watching.